Hi, my name is Bishop Woods. I'm a freshman at Queen University. Born February 6, 2002. Moved from Portland, Oregon, moved to Kirkland, Georgia. I'm 2 years old. My major is business. If it's not business, then sports management. Um, I like to play baseball. First sport I played was soccer. Played soccer for a while. Then basketball. Played that for a while. Then baseball. Been playing baseball for a long time and got me a long way. Things I like to do is outside classes, of course, hang out with friends, family. You know, before I leave off college, hang out with family a lot and a lot of friends. Mostly family because I'm be going for them and I love them most. And things I learned from this class was that this class is helpful because my major is business, and I feel like I can learn a lot from this class and more in other classes about business. So I'm glad that I'm taking this class where it can help me out.